Hey everyone, welcome back to Danvar Tech. Tired of straining your eyes with that bright Instagram interface? In this video, I'll guide you through the quick and easy steps to switch on dark mode and give your feed a sleek nighttime look. Let's dive in. Open your Instagram and click on this icon. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top corner. Now scroll down and select the option Accessibility and Translation. And now tap on dark mode. Choosing System Default in Instagram's dark mode syncs the app with your device's settings, automatically switching between light and dark modes based on your system preferences. If you prefer manual control, choose the on option to enable dark mode. Now your dark mode is enabled. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Danvar Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.